Clean your air conditioning condensate drain line at least once every season to prevent blockages and water damage. A seasonal cleaning means flushing the drain line at the start of spring before heavy cooling use, and again at the start of fall if you run cooling in late seasons. And this schedule keeps algae, mold, and debris from building up inside the pipe. Use a shop vacuum at the drain access or a hand pump to remove standing water and loosen debris, and follow with a gentle flush of warm water combined with a quarter cup of household white vinegar to break up slimy residue. Avoid bleach for regular use because it can damage seals and plastic over time. Inspect the drain pan and the visible drain line for cracks, rust, or loose fittings while you are there, and tighten or replace small fittings immediately to prevent leaks. If you have a long run of drain line or poor slope, disconnect the condensate trap and snake a flexible plastic brush through the trap and line for deeper cleaning, then reassemble carefully so the trap remains watertight. In very humid climates or near bodies of water where algae is common, perform a monthly check and clean as needed, and consider installing a condensate overflow switch that shuts the system off if the line backs up. Always wear nitrile gloves and eye protection when handling dirty water, and if you are unsure about electrical shutoffs or accessing the evaporator pan, call a qualified technician. Homeowners commonly wait until they see water stains or hear a clog before they act, which lets damage start and can require expensive repairs. Prevent that by flushing and inspecting seasonally. A second common issue is using harsh chemicals like concentrated bleach regularly, which degrades plastics and rubber and can cause more leaks. Use diluted white vinegar or a manufacturer-recommended cleaner instead. Third, poor slope or long horizontal runs trap water and debris, causing frequent clogs. Correct the pipe slope to at least 1/4 inch per foot, or have a professional reroute the line and add an access cleanout. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who are available for work and view their profiles, ratings, and project photos so we can make informed hiring choices. We also connect contractors with customers and host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common home maintenance topics.